All right, guys, so look, check this out. I know you have been seeing these videos that I've been making on my channel. I want to show you guys how I've been using Veo3 to make these videos. My goal and my purpose is to create a workflow that can speed up the video creation process, and to also I'll show you what this is here in a second, but to also show you guys what I'm doing in case you have any questions on how to make these videos. I just got done talking to a client of mine. He said that creating videos is very overwhelming and posting those on social media. But I want to show you this tool that I'm using. It's a Veo3 full video generator, and I'll show you how I use it. This is something that I made myself. But if you want to learn how to make these videos, I'm going to show you how to do that using the tool that I just showed you. Also, along with ChatGPT, show you my video prompts that I'm using and basically how I do it. So stick around, I'll show you how to do it. And what I use is this tool here. You see where it says beginning scene, middle scene 2, middle scene 3, and the end scene. So these videos right here, they always have 5 scenes, and I'm testing them out to see if I can get some consistency with the setting, the niche conversation dialogue that I'm testing out to build the community around, and making sure that I can get consistent results with AI videos. So as you can see here in the beginning scene, I can set the location, I can set the time, like if I wanted to make it morning, afternoon, or evening, the environment urban. I can mess with some of the background elements. I can take some of these out. I can add additional ones. The camera position, I can set that. And then I can get into the interviewee, the person that's being interviewed. I can put in all the inputs that I want the video to have, how they look, the persona, the style, the emotion. And I want to come back up to here. Notice how with the camera, I have that it's a POV interviewer. The on-screen subject is the interviewee only. The microphone visible, yes. Interviewer's skin tone is a black man. Interviewer's clothing is short sleeve. I put short sleeve just for example. I put short sleeve because sometimes it may show the interviewer with different clothes, wearing different clothes with a different sleeve from a different outfit. So I said, let's just make him have short sleeves so it's just showing his skin. His face is typically not viewable, but those are the different types of things that you can put into the inputs, and then you can kind of adjust the dialogue, and you can actually give it a script on what you want to be said. You can have the interviewer's question, and then you can have the dialogue from the interviewee. And the way I come up with the question and the script is I come here to ChatGPT. You guys can create whatever scripts you want to create using ChatGPT, and whatever niche you guys are into. You can let me know in the comments what niche you guys are in. But when you come up with your scripting, I just bring that over here to this tool and I put it inside the question and the dialogue. And then when I'm done with all of that, you see down here at the bottom where it has this weird looking object thing here. This is called a JSON object. For any developers that may be watching, I know you guys are familiar with JSON objects, but what I do is I take this and I copy it. So once that's copied, I take that and then I go to Veo3, and then I come down here and then I just paste it in there. And once I do that, I click on the enter button and it generates these videos. So that's how I've been making the videos. And then once I make the 5 scenes, I just click on the download button and I have my video. So when you notice here in the middle scene, in the middle second scene, all the different scenes, they all have different settings that you can put for each scene so that you can do these scenes simultaneously. And then you could generate all 5 scenes, copy all JSONs, and this really helps to speed up the video creation process. You can have a video, all 5 scenes done in about 20 minutes right now, 25 minutes. I'm trying to get that down to about 10 to 15 minutes for all 5 videos. I want to be able to create this workflow and share it with you guys if you're interested. If you're interested in getting this workflow, just let me know in the comments or send me a DM, and then let me know in the comments that you sent me a DM so I can make sure I find it. But yeah, so you can update these. So like if I want this entire clip to happen all in the daytime, I can say let's put afternoon here, afternoon here, afternoon here, or that's morning. Put it afternoon, boom, and boom. All right, that way I make sure I have consistency throughout the entire video in each scene. If it's urban, make sure that it's urban. The background elements, I can make sure that the same background elements are in each one, or if I want it to be different in one, no taxis, we can take it out. We can take the taxis out. And I usually leave the camera position fixed. Like there's some constants that we have in this. Now I'm just kind of getting into some technical. But yeah, some of this stuff in here, I leave it to where it's unedited because it's customized to this specific type of content that I'm doing. So if you guys want one that's customized to the type of content that you're doing, just let me know and I can build one for you. But yep, just copy the JSON object at the bottom and then copy that and paste it into your Veo3 flow. And then once you have that, it just creates your content. And what I'll do is I will continue to optimize this video generator so that these objects that I'm copying down here, so that they'll be even better as we put them into Veo3. So this is all about testing and optimization. If you guys are creating content using Veo3, let me know. And if you're interested in using that tool, just let me know. Send me a DM. Let me know in the comments that you sent me a DM, and I can send that out to you. Follow the channel if you guys want to know more.